Bulgogi is a classic Korean dish that's a perfect keto meal. First, make the marinade for the meat. You can use whatever sugar-free sweetener you want. The Asian pear is important because it has an enzyme that tenderizes the meat, unlike regular pears. You can find it at most stores now, including Walmart superstores. If you can't find it, use half a grated kiwi instead. In Asian grocery stores, you can find pre-packaged, thinly sliced bulgogi meat. Since I've moved, this isn't available where I live, so I have to cut my own. I freeze the meat for 45 minutes or so to make it firm enough to cut into thin pieces. You will have to cook this in batches unless you have a very large pan or you're grilling outside. Lay the pieces flat. Koreans like their bulgogi cooked well done. You can use any pliable, foldable lettuce leaf or green. I like to add some kimchi for crunch and spiciness, but if you don't like spicy, you can just use mild kimchi instead.